Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to turn on dark mode in Notion. First, launch Notion in your browser or in your desktop app and sign in if necessary. In the left-hand sidebar, go ahead and click on your profile picture or name in the top left corner to open the user menu. From the drop-down menu, you're going to see Settings and Invite Members. Go ahead and click on Settings. In the Settings window, you're going to see a couple of options, and they include My Account, My Settings, My Notifications, My Connection, Language and Region, and you have the Workspace settings, which include Upgrade Plan, Settings, Team Spaces, People, Sites, Security and Data, Identity and Provisioning, Connections, and of course you have Import. Head over to My Settings. And in the My Settings window, you're going to see an option that says Appearance. Now, click on the Appearance tab that is located over here. That's the first thing here. Customize and Notion looks on your device, and you have View System Settings. Now, go ahead and click on this drop-down menu in here, and you see a couple of options. You have Use System Settings, you have Light, and you have Dark. So if it is in light, this is how it's going to be. And if it is in dark, this is how it's going to be. So I'm already using Chrome's dark feature. That's why you can see the difference between the light and the dark. But if it is dark, just go ahead and change it to dark. And once you change it to dark, it's going to switch to dark mode. Now the changes will be applied immediately, which has been applied, and your Notion interface will switch to dark mode. Now I'd like you to know that dark mode settings apply across Notion on both web and desktop applications. And you can switch back to light mode by following the same process and selecting light instead. So that's pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.